Hello, this is Alessio. Today is Thursday the 30th of September, and today we're going to analyze two interesting stocks within the ARK ETF innovation of Cathie Wood. So the first chart, as you can see from your screen, is Intellia Therapeutics. Ticker symbol is NTLA. So here I had a different count before. Possibly some of you remember. Wave 4 was not here where it's at now, March 5th, the low of March 5th, but was right here. So I was basically seeing some kind of triangle. The thing is, this correction appears to me bullish corrective, meaning that this high will be taken at some point. And after looking at it from some time, I saw that perhaps this could be some kind of pretty, let's say, interesting, to say the least, leading diagonal. It's kind of ugly, to be honest. It doesn't look that nice, but it doesn't break any rule. Every impulse wave is shorter than the one before. 5 shorter than 3, and 3 shorter than 1. So this could be wave 1. Down for 2, acceleration gap within wave 3, and now we're doing some kind of sideways wave 4, which would meet the criteria of alternation with the wave 2 to the same degree. So that makes me think that perhaps we could see Intellia have one last push up soon. Since this looks like a pretty sideways correction, perhaps this could become an area of support. If we do go much lower than this, of course here we would have a validation level at $88. So I would not like to see until I go that down, but pretty much within this area I like to see some support. So the next chart is Zillow. The ticker symbol is Z. As you can see here, we've had, once again, sorry, I forgot to say, these are all daily chart. This is a daily chart, and the chart of Intellia was a daily chart. So this, as you can see, is a correction that started in February. So it's been quite a while, 7 months. And basically, we could be near some interesting support level, because if I zoom out and I tried to measure the retracement of wave 4 so far, of course compared to wave 3, I see that we're very close to 38.2%. Very, very close. So, and perhaps I can see 5 was down, so that would also mean that possibly we are near, if not a bottom in place, still some kind of a low in place. Some kind of support should come soon. And of course, to actually buy, being as confident as possible that the overall correction is completed, it's hard to say now. We would first need to see a pretty sharp move up, trying to investigate on that move up, see whether it's in 5 or 3, and then perhaps we could try to say whether it was impulsive or not. So that was it for me today. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, let me know if you have any questions, remarks to make on the counts, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.